This fragmented statue of a winged Nike, Victory, with its inscribed column base has been reassembled out of 28 fragments. Parts of the Nike were found in 1886 northwest of the Erythraeon and those of the column in the time period 1888 to 1891. Nike appears to be flying towards the right, with her legs loose and her short emission flowing back, giving the impression of movement. She is supported on a plinth through her long chitin that falls between her legs. Her wings were made from a separate piece of marble and then attached to her back in rectangular openings.
Nike is the goddess of victory in Greek mythology. She is the daughter of the Titan Pallas and the Styx, having as brothers Kratos, the strength, Zelus, which represented rivalry and greatness, and Bia, the force. With her brothers, the goddess of victory fought alongside the Olympian gods during the Titanomachy, the war between the gods and the Titans, and also provided assistance to Zeus during his fight against Typhon. Already in the Gigantomachy, the goddess drove Zeus's chariot during the clash against the giants.